Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about numpy.unravel index. This is probably the most complicated functions that confuse a lot of you guys. The comment of this function reads like this: convert a flat index or array of flat indices into a tuple of coordinate arrays. I was confused as many of you guys were reading this sentence. So now let's jump directly into an example. You probably know that if we have a 2D array, there is a function called numpy.ravel which will convert the 2D array into a 1D vector. So if I run this function, it will convert the 2D array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to a vector. Unravel index does exactly the opposite. It will convert index which is sequentially aligned to a 2D index. So take the following matrix as an example. Suppose we have a 3x4 matrix and the indices are linearly aligned on the 2D matrix in a row major order. If we call this function with the first parameter 11 and the second parameter 3x4, it actually tells the function that given a 4x3 matrix, if the linear index is 11, what would be the 2D index? So in this case, the 2D index will be 2, 3, which is a tuple. So let's run this function to see whether it is the case. Now if I change the first parameter to 3, you can guess that the return value will be 0, 3. Let's run this function to verify this. Exactly like that. So in summary, unravel index compute the corresponding ND index, n-dimension index. Since this depends on the block size, the dimension of the block should be also passed into the function, which is the second parameter here as shape. Also, as the example shows, you can not only pass a single integer as the first parameter, but you can also pass the list of integers into the first parameter, which will return a tuple of arrays, where the first parameter would be the index on the y-axis, and the second parameter would be the array of index on the x-axis. Also, you are not only able to get a 2D dimension index, but you can also get a multi-dimension index by making the shape to be high dimension. Hope this video is useful. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.